Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to hide applications on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and then scroll to the lock screen to the home screen section, and here you'll see the hide apps section tab there, and here you'll see all available applications on your device. And for example, we wanna just hide this app, just to hide one from the application tab, here on the left upper corner to this checkbox, and you'll see here all the hiding apps. And for example, we can go with this one, with the Outlook, and with the Spotify, and with YouTube Music, for example. And now just tap here to done, and as can you see here, we have now the YouTube Music, for example, and here we can see all our hide applications. And just if you wanna show them again, go here to the hide apps and tap here on the red left upper corner to this minus icon, and now just tap here to done. And as can you see here, we got all our applications again, like YouTube Music, Spotify, Outlook, all the applications, so they're just visible again. So that's how it looks, that's how to hide applications on Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. And thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.